Alright folks, I found something incredible out here in the middle of nowhere. Ronaldo's abandoned sports car. Check out this gear we brought. Today's mission is simple. I'm gonna bring this forgotten Ronaldo machine back to life. Look at this beast, covered in years of grime and neglect. How long has this thing been sitting here? What happened? See this wheel? Completely caked in dirt. Getting the winch platform ready. This Ronaldo car needs serious work, but that's exactly why I'm here. The undercarriage looks rough, corrosion everywhere, but nothing a good pressure wash can't handle. Alright, let's cover Ronaldo's sleek supercar in thick foam and give it a deep, satisfying wash until the paint shines like brand new. Got my chemical tank hooked up. This solution helps break down the organic matter before the rinse. I'm using my red work gloves to get a better grip. This high-pressure spray cuts through decades of neglect. The foam solution is working its magic. It lifts the dirt so the pressure rinse can do its thing. Look at this thick green coating. Years of abandonment right here. The chemical solution is key. It loosens everything up, so I'm not fighting the grime, I'm dissolving it. Finally, there's actual green paint under all that moss. Freshen up, Ronaldo, my friend. Your legendary ride is about to sparkle like never before. The iconic CR7 logos are already visible across the bodywork, giving this supercar that unmistakable Ronaldo style. Moving down to the wheel area now. Gotta be systematic about this, or you miss spots. See that dark runoff on the gravel? That's years of accumulated dirt washing away. Pretty satisfying, honestly. The logo is coming through. Red letters starting to pop against that fresh green. Love seeing progress. Working the hood now. The pressure needs to be just right. Too much and you damage paint. Too little and nothing happens. Front grille is looking so much better. Those yellow turn signals are actually visible again. There it is, a Sayu logo clear as day on the hood. This car is coming back to life right before our eyes. Moving around to the right side. Every inch of this thing needs attention. No shortcuts here. Ha, look at that Ronaldo's face. Even he is impressed with this transformation. Getting the roof now. The spray creates this satisfying mist. Therapeutic work right here. Windshield is clearing up nicely. You can actually see inside the car now. Progress. Lower panels getting their turn. The dirt runs off and you can see the original finish underneath. Front wheel getting a thorough cleaning. Mud and grime built up in every crevice over the years. And that's the main wash done. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying this restoration. The Ronaldo lettering on the side is fully visible now. This was someone's pride and joy once. Here's my secret weapon, this foaming solution. It's made specifically for jobs like this. Back to the detail work with the pressure nozzle. Some areas need extra attention to really shine. Working the rear section now. This van is long, so there's a lot of surface area to cover. The foam cannon in action creates a thick layer that clings to the surface and lifts the dirt. Scrub brush time. For the really stuck-on stuff, you need some elbow grease alongside the chemicals. Look at those vertical streaks on the side panel. That's where the brush did its job perfectly. The green paint is really popping now compared to when we started. See that boundary between the gravel and the clean van? That's the before and after line right there. This sculpture is actually pretty detailed. Someone put serious work into this. Found treasure. Back to the bodywork. These panel sections still have some stubborn spots that need attention. You can see the brush marks in the foam, working this surface methodically for complete coverage. The foam lifts the dirt and the brush finishes the job. The foam is working overtime on these stubborn patches of dried mud. Full side view now. The transformation is really showing, from mossy wreck to recognizable vehicle. High pressure rinse cutting through the remaining foam. This is the final reveal stage. Ha! Someone's enjoying the splash zone, getting the full car wash experience up there. Continuing the rinse on the main body, almost all the soap residue is gone now. There it is, Ronaldo in red letters on bright green. That's what we came here for. Some dents and scratches visible now that it's clean, but honestly adds character to the vehicle. Detail work on the side panels, getting into every crevice for a thorough clean. Wheel wells need extra pressure. All the road grime collects in these areas over time. Rear wheel getting the final treatment, spinning off years of accumulated brake dust and mud. Stepping back to admire the progress, this van looks completely different from an hour ago. Frontside rinse in progress, water sheeting off the clean surface. That's how you know it's done right. Final passes on the hood, making sure no soap spots are left to dry and leave marks. The front end looks fantastic. Clean green paint, visible badges, proper vehicle again. Last touches on the lower body. Every section gets equal treatment in my operation. Almost done with the rinse phase. This Ronaldo van is looking fresh for the first time in years. Water runoff cleaning the base area. When I do a job, I do it complete. Final overview time. This Ronaldo car transformation is nearly complete. Mission accomplished today, folks. Drop a comment telling me what abandoned vehicle you want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe. And there's our trophy find, that sculptured head. Ronaldo's car is back from the dead, looking clean and proud.